male driver, goatee, do-rag. North on Otter Creek.
Today, we're diving into the intense world of law enforcement with a gripping police chase. Join us as we follow officers in pursuit of a suspect who's determined to evade capture. As tension rises, the officer employs precision tactics, ultimately resorting to a pit maneuver to bring the chase to a safe conclusion.
Passing Frontier Diner.
Hey, you're on the north service road going west?
Yes, sir.
I'm not working.
We're about to cross over 430 if we don't get on 430.
Well, I'm right here in front of the outlets on the north service road.
Getting on 430 north. Coming up on stagecoach speed 120.
Taking stagecoach.
Taking stagecoach.
Back on the road, we're going back west on Highway 5.
Going west on Highway 5 over 430.
Otter Creek and stagecoach.
Going into oncoming traffic, staying on Highway 5.
Staying on Highway 5.
Passing Crystal Valley.
Passing Crystal Valley.
Passing baseline.
Passing baseline. Coming up on Otter Creek Parkway.
Hadn't had a chance to conduct the head in.
Now we're like, I'm going to be behind A4. It looks like a single occupant black male driver, goatee, do-rag. North on Otter Creek.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Right now! Get out here! Get out here! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Lay down on your face!
I got it,
Spread your legs!
Put your face in the dirt right now. Put your face in the asphalt. Don't you freaking move, you understand me? Put your right hand back.
All you have to do is stop. How many people's lives you put in danger? All you have to do is stop. Why, man?
Anybody else in that car?
A speeding ticket.
You see anybody else in the car?
Don't be a smart ass.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand
A
up.
speeding ticket, you dumbass. Yeah, you're a victim, aren't you?